Hey guys, this is Andre with Pinnacle Credit Management, and this is for anyone that may have child support or any public records on the credit report. As you can see here, here is proof that we removed child support off of our client's credit report. Um, we know how tough the courts can be, but we can pretty much remove any public record off a credit report. As you can see here, proof from Los Angeles, family child support Los Angeles. This was removed not too long ago. As you can see here, it's the 1st of April, and between the March 17th and the 24th, not too long ago, this was removed. So once again, yeah, we do remove um, child support, okay, and any other public records off of credit reports. Let's go ahead and look at his report, and as you can see, 0 derogatory marks removed. He's got some good history here, 100% payment history on time. We repaired his late payments, and he has to get his balances down as well. And he's also getting some new trade lines as well. So this is a credit report from our client to show you that we do remove child support off credit reports. If you have child support or public records or bankruptcies, tax liens, foreclosures, give us a call, 858-252-6053.